with the 11 participants in here. Right. Before that, can you hear my voice, my students, clearly?
Yes, I can, Miss.
Okay, yes, thank you. Right. Is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Yeah. Good morning. How are you today?
Morning, I'm great.
Morning, Miss.
You good? All of you? I hope all of you still in good condition, right? And yeah, have you done to breakfast this morning?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. Why?
Not yet, Miss.
Why? We know that breakfast is important to give energy to do our activity.
Belum lapar, Miss.
Oh, belum lapar. Oke. Ya, ya. Oke. It's better for us before we start our discussion material this morning. Please to make sure that all of our activity this morning is dilancarkan. So we pray to God together first. Yeah, let's pray together. Yes, you finish?
Finish, Miss.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
Miss.
Okay. Okay, everyone, please. I have sent material. I have sent a material for this class morning. Yeah, you can open the material, the slide, and also you can see on your screen. Okay, have you done open the material, class?
Done, Miss. Done, Miss.
Okay. Yes. For this section, we also need to review our previous discussion material. That what is about the material discussion on the previous meeting? Did you still remember what it's about?
Job
What have
vacancy, Miss.
what? Ya, Tania Fadila.
Job vacancy.
Job vacancy. The right answer is job interview. Okay, but thank you for your answer. Job interview. Okay. So yeah, we can see on the slide that in there is a picture, and also there are two statements that relate to the picture. Sorry. I want to ask you, on this picture, what situation exactly on this picture? What they are do? Class? On this picture?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, on this picture, apa yang mereka lakukan? Mereka sedang apa ini? What are they doing? Yeah. Yes, this is in situation on job interview. And then for the statement, like the question, tell me about yourself, and then why should hired you is one of the general questions that we meet if we are in situation job interview. Okay, so next is we also review our previous discussion again. It's about job vacancy advertisement. So before we come to the job interview and we want to submit and or we want to apply for a job, so the first step that we should do is search a lot of information about job vacancy advertisement that relate to our major. Like you on technology laboratory medic is relate to the analis kesehatan. Yeah. So if you have found the job vacancy advertisement and one of the important thing that you should submit is about application letter. So this is the one of the important thing that we should to submit if we want to apply for a job. So surat lamaran ini sangat penting ya untuk kita buat saat kita ingin melamar sebuah pekerjaan. So we should to make or create an application letter. And also next is the additional information sebagai bahan pendukung for the application letter that we also submit our CV or resume. Okay. Yeah, did you still remember how to write a resume, class? We have discussed this material yesterday meeting. So I think that I believe that you have already understood about how to create a format and resume or curriculum vitae. Okay, so come to the point of this. It's about job interview. So after we find out the advertisement, and also we should to submit application letter, and then we should to submit CV for additional information about our profile for the company. So after that, what step that we want to do after we submit the application letter and then the CV is we waiting for calling job interview on the company or on the company, on the place that you submit for applying a job. Yeah. Many company call you as a job seeker by send a message through your email that you put on your application letter or your CV. So the company need to you come to their company and doing a job interview by send a message to your email or calling you through your number phone. Ada dua ya, menelpon atau mengirim sebuah pesan yang berisikan kalian telah lulus seleksi administrasi, so next come to our company to doing job interview for interview section. So if you got the message or if you got the calling, so congratulations that you ya, kalian sudah masuk ke tahap terakhir dalam proses untuk melamar pekerjaan. Yeah, is the job interview. So try again to remember the purpose of the job interview. Exactly is what the company need by open recruitment for new candidate to their company. Then by the job interview seleksi job interview. Jadi job interview itu sendiri have purpose. What is the purpose of job interview? Okay, what is anyone know? Any of you know what is the purpose of job interview, class? Did you still remember? Yeah, Tania Fadila, turn on your audio, please.
Yes, Miss. To find out the characteristic a job seeker with the qualifications position needed.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you can read and see this on the slide. Yeah, purpose of job interview is to find out the characteristic or personality. In bahasa is untuk mengetahui lebih lanjut tentang kepribadian a job seeker as you sebagai pelamar pekerja yang melamar pekerjaan with the qualification position needed. On their job vacancy advertisement, they put qualification position. So on the section for job interview, to know more about your personality atau kepribadian that relate and yang termasuk ke dalam kualifikasi yang mereka inginkan gitu. Ya, jadi itulah fungsinya job interview. Oke, you got the point?
Yes, Miss.
Apa sih tujuannya perusahaan company itu mengadakan open recruitment and sampai lanjut ke job interview. Alright. And then after we got a message from the company that we apply for a job that is about calling for job interview, and before we come to the job interview time, so we should to prepare ourselves. Yeah, we should to make sure that we ready. Yeah, ready to come to the job interview on their company. So before we come to this section, job interview, what should we do? It's the important thing. Yeah. What should we do? You can see the first one is identify. Identify. What it's mean about the identify in this? It's it's mean that we try to find out and search a lot of information about what are the questions, general questions that the HRD or CEO in doing job interview asking to a job seeker. So the first one is identify. Ini maksudnya kita mencari lebih lanjut informasi tentang pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang sering dipertanyakan oleh HRD or CEO. Pertanyaan-pertanyaan tersebut itu sering muncul atau sering dipertanyakan. Jadi kita so we should to find out the general questions. And then after we find out a lot of information about the general questions, so we come to the second step is find strategy to answer the questions, right? Yeah, we should try to also searching, and then we prepare the best answer for the questions that we already found. Ya, kita harus mencari strategi untuk menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang diberikan dari HRD. Jadi, setelah kita menemukan pertanyaan-pertanyaan, list of the questions, so we find strategy to answer the questions. Yeah. And then after that, we find the questions, and then we find out also the strategy to answer the questions. So the last one and the important thing is you should practice. You should practice latihan latihan or practice. You prepare yourself to do job when the job interview come to yours. Okay, you got the point, class? Sebelum kita sampai pada waktu sesi job interview itu, apa yang harus kita persiapkan diri kita nih? Ourselves, what should we prepare, what should we do? You got the point, class? Apa yang harus dipersiapkan? What should we prepare? Hello, hear my voice?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. Another students, you hear my voice? Dea,
Yes,
Darnia.
Miss.
Yeah. You got the point?
Yes, Miss.
You got
Yes,
the point?
Miss.
Yes. You get the point, guys? About what should we prepare ourselves before come to the job interview on the company. Ya. Apa yang harus dipersiapkan?
Pertanyaan jawaban yang akan dipertanyakan nanti, Miss.
Oh iya. Yes, that's good. Thank you. It's great answer. Ya, benar ya. Jadi so we should to prepare our answer, our best answer to for the questions that come to us in the section job interview. Okay. Next, this is what also have mentioned on previous meeting discuss with Mr. Zumrul, and I here also to remind about the questions, that we have already mentioned on previous slide, that we should to find out a lot of general questions that always occur in job interview. So questions for the this is on the slide. There are 4 questions that always occur, and also as the general questions in job interview section. Jadi pertanyaan-pertanyaan dalam slide ini nih sering muncul atau sering dipertanyakan by HRD or CEO or director di tempat kita ingin melamar pekerjaan. Jadi, so we should to prepare our best answer for the questions. Let's see. The first questions is about this is the important thing, that tell me about yourself. Okay, tell me about yourself. And then, it's about your profile. You can answer by using the structure by mention. The first one is your name, your age, your place or address, your educational background, and then your experience in working, and also your what thing that you passion on it, and then your hobby. Yeah, you mentioned that it's about you. Tell me about yourself. Okay, for the questions. And then the second one is what are your strengths? Jadi apa kelebihan kamu? What are your strengths? So we explain or we tell in what your strength in for strength is about best skill. Jadi kemampuan terbaik kita, best skill. We ya kita mampu, kita ahli dalam melakukan ini. Jadi itu di-mention ya pada saat dipertanyakan what are your strength? Best skill and then best achievement. So prestasi-prestasi yang telah kalian raih itu dibilang juga di bidang ini kalian sudah mendapatkan atau memenangkan penghargaan. Ya, itu di-mention juga. And then nice personality is about kepribadian kita. And then the third one is about what are your weakness? What are your weakness? Weakness is kelemahan. Jadi udah ditanya kelebihan, move to kelemahan kamu. So how we answer gimana? Okay. Format dalam menjawab pertanyaan untuk weakness. Yeah, how we answer for this question about weakness. You can begin or start your answer by mention is about your opinion, your weakness in where, and then your opinion, ini pendapat kamu, menurut saya lemahnya tuh di sini gitu. And then setelah after you mention your opinion, make sure that you give your best reason relate to what you said before. Jadi kalian udah bilang kan kelemahan kalian tuh di mana, terus nanti terus dilanjutkan dengan alasan yang mengarah ke kelemahan itu, to make sure that your weakness, your weakness knowing by the CEO or HRD, and then regret or penyesalan. We can do more active if we jika kita lambat dalam mengerjakan sesuatu atau lelet dalam mengerjakan sesuatu, kita bisa memberikan expression that we regret we did gitu. And then why should hire you? Why should we hire you? Kenapa kami harus menerima kamu gitu? Kenapa kami harus menerima kamu? So the structure or the outline or the format to answer this question, and by mention find the quality of job requirements. What does it mean? It is we know the job requirements or job description on the company put on their job vacancy advertisement, and then professional demonstrate. Ya, kita itu for these questions, why should we hire you? Itu kita menjawabnya dengan kita mendukung segala apa yang menjadi kualifikasi dari kualifikasi yang tertera di dalam iklan lowongan kerja yang telah kita pilih ya. So find the qualitas of job requirements Misalnya dalam job description or job job description. Sorry. Yes. Misalnya dalam bidang ini itu membutuhkan dalam bidang ini yang dilatih itu adalah teamwork atau like this. So we should kita harus mendukung apa yang menjadi syarat dari yang disebutkan di dalam iklan lowongan kerja tersebut. For the additional untuk sebagai bahan tambahan untuk biar kita bisa so still hello class, can you hear my voice?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, you got you answer. Sorry, you understand for this section is about the general questions that always occur when in job interview situation. Yeah, you get the point for the questions. If you meet or if you got the questions, so you know what you know the way you answer. So yeah, the purpose of this is when we got these questions and we already know how to answer these questions by you can use the format or structure. What should you start by saying, what you start the answer, like that. Okay, you understand, class?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Another
Miss.
students, are you understand? If you if you not really understand, you can ask the questions. Yeah, feel free to ask questions. Okay, I think that you, I believe that you already understood with this question, right? Yeah, because of this, because the questions is general and always we occur or always we hear when doing job interview. So the next, to make sure that you understand about the questions or about our material discussion this morning, let's practice. Let's practice our activity today. So, I want to know that all of you have met the preparation material that I want you to do. It's about you create an application letter and then resume or CV. Have you done? Have you did? Have you done? Have you finished? Do this preparation class?
No, Miss.
No? Yeah. Okay, maybe because of the limited time that you, yes, no problem. We can start we can start our practice this morning. I will call your name one by one, but you can choose the way that you want to answer. Like this. Imagine that you as a job seeker with your background major. So, bayangkan sekarang kamu adalah seorang pelamar pekerjaan. So, you submit a resume and then application letter to our company. Imagine that I, as the HRD, that I want to interview you. Okay? But in this practice, in this activity, you can choose the way that you want to answer my questions by directly speak. You can turn on your audio, and then also you can using by writing in a room chat. So you can choose the way that you want to answer my questions. Oke, paham semuanya? Dalam sesi ini kita we need to practice to make sure that we understand about the material mentioned or discussed previous slide. So it's time to make sure that we understand about this discussion. It's about job interview. So later that you will come to this situation as a job seeker, sebagai pelamar pekerjaan to the company, to the perusahaan atau rumah sakit atau klinik, ya seperti itu. Jadi sekarang waktunya kita praktek ya untuk job interview ini. Bisa semuanya? Kelas, bisa kita mulai prakteknya to make sure that you understand. And this is also I give you a mark or score for this activity. Jadi di dalam aktivitas ini saya akan memberikan nilai ya. Jadi ini sebagai nilai tambahan juga untuk kalian. Oke? Bisa? We can do this. Hello everyone. You still there? Hello? Everyone? You hear my voice?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, yes. I hear a boy. What's your name? Maybe Wahyu Fenanda. Are you Wahyu Fenanda? Is you?
Wahyu Fernanda, girl, miss.
Oh, maybe M. Gilang. Yeah, we move to M. Gilang first. M. Gilang.
Yeah, miss.
We continue our activity. M. Gilang, you still there? If you still there, you can answer by turn on your audio and saying, yes, miss. M. Gilang?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You first candidate that I will interview you. Yeah, work interview. So, have you made application letter and resume, M. Gilang? Sudah buat application letter? Halo, M. Gilang? You still there? Ya, mungkin
Miss.
M bilang tidak di sini ya, lagi jaringannya lagi nih. Oke, we continue to other students. Tania Fahdila. Ya, Tania Fahdila. It's time is yours.
Iya, Miss.
Yeah. You what way you choose to answer my questions by turning your audio or typing in room chat. Tania Fadila. Mau langsung
Nggak ngerti
menjawab?
saya, Miss.
Apa?
Jawab apa, Miss?
Ini kan kita dalam sesi praktis ya, praktis untuk job interview. Jadi saya memberikan pilihan kepada kalian untuk menjawabnya itu langsung menjawab dengan speak up or writing in room chat gitu. Jadi pada saat saya bertanya, kalian bisa langsung menjawab atau tulis jawabannya di room ya, ditulis gitu. Jadi untuk giliran pertama itu ada Tania Fadila. Let me ask you again, what way you choose? Speak up directly or writing in room chat? Speak up aja ya.
Jangan lah,
Tania
Miss.
Fadila.
Nggak mau bahasa Inggris.
Ya, kita sama-sama belajar ya di sini. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Jadi di writing di room chat aja ya. Tapi langsung dijawab ya, Tania. Bisa? Ya, coba ya, dicoba gitu. Nah, ini simulasi. This is simulation. Later that you come to the real situation. Oke. Jadi pertanyaan pertama itu, for the first question for Tania Fadila is, Tania, you can tell me about yourself. Yeah. First question is tell me about yourself. So right now you can write the questions, write the answer in room chat. Okay, let's go. Tell me about yourself. Mungkin maybe to make sure that kalian punya giliran untuk menjawab pertanyaan, untuk mendapatkan kesempatan dalam kegiatan ini. Jadi nunggu while waiting Tania, right? So another students I invite to answer my questions. Yeah, I want yeah, wait. Novita, is there Novita? No. Septia Tri Cahyani. Septia, please, Septia, turn on your audio. Septia, tidak ada ya? Ana, is you there? Halo Ana. Tidak ada juga ya. Halida Nurasda. Iya. Halida Nurasda. Jadi pertanyaan ini itu kalian bisa ya.
Gimana,
Jadi ya Halida Nurasda ya.
Iya, Miss.
Ya. Jadi imagine that you as a job seeker, kamu sebagai pelamar pekerjaan, sebagai pelamar kerja dan Miss as the CEO or HRD. So I want to ask you in job interview section. Okay. Halida Nurasda, you can
Yes.
you can speak up or writing the chat, writing in room chat to answer my questions. You can?
Kalau misalnya speak up nggak boleh, Miss.
Yes, that's good. Speak up aja ya.
Biar cepet ya, Miss.
Yeah, okay. So, the first questions is, tell me about yourself. The same questions with the previous candidate.
My name is Halida Nurasda Supini Akbar, age 17, and my address dan Adi Sucipto number A5. My hobby is read book and my passion is technical laboratory medic.
Oh, your education ya. Okay. Yeah, finish. Yeah, that's a good answer ya. Jadi sudah benar seperti itu cara menjawabnya. Jadi untuk untuk siswa yang lain, jika mendapatkan pertanyaan seperti tell me about yourself in job interview later, jadi bisa menjawab seperti yang dijawab oleh Halida Nurasda. Okay. Other questions, Halida, for Halida is what are your strength? What are your strength? Kelebihannya, kelebihan kamu apa sih? Halida? Okay. Yeah, we waiting Halida respond. We can read together from Tania Fahdila. The answer for the question, for the first question is about tell me about yourself. Thank you, Tania Fadila. My name is Tania Fadila Azhara. I am 17 years old. Study at SMK Abdar Pekanbaru. Have passion at LKTI. Wow, that's good. LKTI. And my hobby is math, study, and read a novel. Okay, that's good. Ya, ini it's one of the correct answer ya. Jadi bisa mencoba untuk menjawab seperti yang dijawab oleh Tania Fadila atau Halida Nurasda. Jadi kalian, ya, thank you for your great response and participation on this section. Okay, because of the time is over, so I think that you because of the limited time, so I'm sorry, but another students can have change to practice also, but you can submit your homework. Itu semalam sudah saya kirim ya, tugasnya itu membuat create an application letter sama a CV or resume berdasarkan iklan yang ada di slide PPT yang saya kirim. Jadi di sana ada dua slide PPT, jadi di sana ada dua pilihan. Jadi di sana ada job vacancy advertisement, itu kalian fokusnya ke analis kesehatan saja based on your major TLM. Jadi ke analis kesehatan, terus kalian dari job vacancy advertisement itu, dari job vacancy advertisement itu kalian buat application letter dan CV. Bisa semuanya? To make sure that all of you participate on this meeting. You can get score for this task. Ya, paham semuanya? Untuk instruksi tugasnya. Hello everyone.
Paham, Miss.
Paham? Understood. Ya, jadi buat seperti itu ya. Berdasarkan iklan itu kalian buat surat lamaran. Di situ juga sudah ada contoh surat lamaran yang saya buat. Jadi kalian bisa mengubahnya. Dan CV ya, buat CV. This homework is to make sure that you understand about our material discussion. Okay? Can you do that?
Yes, I
Yes,
can do
Miss.
that.
Yes, yeah. That's good. Okay, and I sumpah iya aku ngelag gue. Sorry, jika kalian, sorry everyone. Last I want to know, you any question so far? You understand about the discuss material this morning? Yeah, any questions? Because of time is over, so if you not really understand and you have a question, you can write your question on room chat, and then I answer your question. Yeah, yeah, you can write your question on room chat or PC Miss. Yeah, you can PC Miss untuk for the question. I try to answer your questions. All right. Yes. I think this all, everyone. Thank you for your great participation, great response, and then I hope all of you can understand about this material, and yeah, happy to see you while on online meeting, and I hope later we can meet in another time. Itu kita bisa berjumpa tatap muka ya. Thank you for great attention, and thank you for joining this class. Yeah. Let's see. And the last is, yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you,
Waalaikumsalam
everyone.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah,
See you too,
we end
Miss.
this class. Okay, thank you. Yeah, don't forget to fill in the attendance list ya. Absennya jangan lupa. Dan tugasnya juga.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, yes, thank you everyone. See you.